This turbo kit will install in a completely stock truck the way it rolls off the showroom floor. I actually designed this kit for my personal tow truck, and what I was aiming at was I wanted increased airflow capability without sacrificing my factory exhaust brake. The factory turbo never has to come off the truck. So this, essentially, you should be able to take a kit from us, open it up, and have it installed by yourself with hand tools in an afternoon. You're just gonna have a truck that tows a whole lot better, sounds better, way more versatile, especially at elevation or anywhere you get where the air is thin. If you take a completely stock truck and put it on our dyno, you'll be somewhere between, depending on the truck, the day, all that stuff, usually around 325 horse. So now with our testing, with our tuning, we've been able to squeeze 450, 460. I think I got a couple 470s in there, just depending on the day, the weather conditions. So our max effort tuning, we're rating it at 130 horsepower increase over stock. Now, if you put this turbo kit in the mix with that 120 to 130 turns into a 170 to 180 horsepower gain. And this isn't just, these aren't just made up ratings. Same tune, same truck, 3 different turbocharger configurations. And this is where the differences are made. The green is a stock turbo. That makes 456 horsepower. It starts coming up around 1700 RPM, and it makes a decent flat curve, kind of starts laying over at about 2800. Now, the next curve I want to go over is the Stage 1 compound kit. This line was stronger back here earlier in the RPM range because it utilizes a stock turbo with a 72 millimeter with it. Now, this didn't shine as much out here on the big end as the blue line, which the blue line is our 63 millimeter, 75 millimeter Stage 2 compound set. This is a stock turbo, or I'm sorry, a stock injector, stock fuel truck, and we got right at 500 horsepower out of it, which is about a 50 horse gain over what we would get on just the stock turbo with the same tune by itself. So these compounds are really going to shine when we put some fuel to it, and we intend to. The first option is for what you would use with your factory untouched stock turbo. This is going to be a Borg-Warner S400 with a 72 millimeter compressor inducer cast wheel. We're going to use a 96 exhaust turbine, and it'll be a T6 turbine housing. The Stage 2 kit is going to be a modified factory turbo, and we have Fleece Performance do this for us. The modified factory turbo is actually a 63 millimeter billet compressor wheel. The turbine and the shaft is all upgraded from a factory turbo. So in conjunction with that turbo, we would use a 475 or a 75 millimeter S400. I called Joe up at HSP and told him what I needed, what I wanted, what I thought would work well. Their quality in their work really shows. The powder coating, the attention to detail, everything that they have to offer is awesome. They're primarily Duramax guys, and you know, I won't hate them for that, but they took our truck, they designed this kit on it, and so we source all turbo kits from them. We take all the turbos themselves, the additional turbos from Fleece Performance, and if you want the Stage 2 kit, their 63 millimeter Cheetah is what we use. So kits by HSP, turbos by Fleece, available through us.